Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. This car is finished in beautiful blue with black interior. It's got beautiful chrome wheels on this car, and absolutely gorgeous. A lot of money spent on this car here, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to show you what this 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS looks like. Like I said, this car is absolutely gorgeous, finished in beautiful blue. It is a true 138 super sport car, and absolutely gorgeous. 396, power steering, power disc brakes, automatic, vintage air, all the good stuff. It's got power disc brakes on the front there, chrome wheels, absolutely gorgeous, really looks good. We'll take a look at the interior first on the passenger side. The passenger side interior really looks good, all nice and clean. It's got the gauges in the dash, knee knocker tack. It's really nice. It's got a little cable there to plug your phone into the radio. It's really clean and nice interior, looks great. Oh, really nice. 66 model, my favorite, if I had to pick, especially in the blue color. So, shut the door here. We'll take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk, it's got the spare tire and the jack equipment. I'll show you here. It's got spare tire, jack equipment, really looks good. Really nice and clean. All the trunk looks good. It's got a nice mat in there. Trunk lid looks good. We're going to shut the trunk lid. We're going to start it up, and we'll see how it sounds. Really sounds good. I'm gonna cut it off here. We'll take a look at the inside. Show you this side of the car real quick. Really looks good, nice and clean. All the doors look good on it. Just really nice. Tilt wheel. Like I said, it has all the factory gauges. Really look good. Everything works on the car. Door shut easy. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, underneath the hood's powered by a 396. It is a date code correct 66 model 396. Vintage air, power steering, power disc brakes. Really nice and clean underneath the hood. I love them chrome valve covers. Really look good. But I'm going to shut the hood here. I'm going to take one more quick look at the 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. This is, like I said, a true 138 super sport car out of the factory. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this Chevelle for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle for a test drive and see how it does. The sun's setting, but we're going to drive this car anyways. It's a beautiful day here in Kentucky. It's a perfect day to be driving classic cars. We're going to take this one out and see how it does. The 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS right here.
And it's a nice and tilt wheel.
Every option on this car, it's got it all.
Awesome.
And we're going to go driving. Got a little bit of traffic here, so I'll show you the dash while we're waiting. The gauges are working. Turning signals work, horn works, and we're going to go drive it, see how it does. Here we go. sunset. Great driving car here. Really, really nice. We're going to turn around and head back here. Like I do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit. We'll see what this car is made of. But it really runs and drives good. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running driving car. Geared right in the rear end. Just really, really nice. So we're going to turn around and head back. We'll get on it just a little bit and we'll see what this car is made of. Car's got lots of power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running driving car. Really, really nice. Handles superb. Yeah. No play in the steering. Just really, really nice. We are almost back here. Like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have. If you have any questions, give us a call, but we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath. And here's the underneath.